Hello and welcome to video 5 in the set of videos on creating a Space Invaders type game. Okay, no Space Invaders, but we have marauding strawberries. Anyway, moving on from the previous video where we allowed the space bar to shoot the bullets at the strawberries. We are now going to allow the strawberries to drop their bombs on us, and so we're going to move quickly on with that now. Okay, first thing, let's remind ourselves of what the screen looks like. So I'll run the application, here it is, and obviously we can shoot our bullets and we've got explosions and they pop up. No scoring yet, but that will come on. We're going to allow the bombs to drop, so we need first of all to create a new condition. Okay, so we're going to add a new condition, and we want the strawberries to drop their bombs every half a second or so. So we click on the timer icon, and we want it to drop the bombs at every half a second. So we put a 0 in seconds and 50 because we got 50 hundredths of a second. So that equates to 1/2, half a second. So there you go. We also want it to randomize. Well, first of all, we'll set the strawberries to launch the bombs, as we did with the bat in the previous video. So the bullets are green, the bombs are yellow, and we want to launch in a selected direction, not that direction. We want it to drop the bombs downwards. We click on OK, and the other thing we wanted to do is to randomize the strawberry, so it will select a random strawberry in which to drop the bomb. To do that, we're going to insert a new condition where we want the strawberries to be picked at random. Okay, let's see what that one looks like. Click on run the application, and I'll drag it across so you can all see. Fantastic, half a second thereabouts, and they're dropping bombs all over the place. That's precisely what we're looking for. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is obviously if it makes contact between the if the bullets, or the bombs rather, make contact with the gun, then we want the gun to be destroyed. So for that we need to add yet another condition. So we're going to add a new condition, and this by right clicking on that, and the condition is that if there's a collision between the bomb, so we want to check a collision with another object, and that object is going to be that one. Then what's going to happen? First of all, it's going to create an explosion. So we're going to have an explosion appear there. It's going to be relative to the drop-in, the bat or the drop-in bomb, position-wise. And the other thing that we need to have the bomb will get destroyed as well. Okay, so let's have a quick show to see what that looks like. We check it. Okay, and we get hit by the bullets. There we are. I got hit. Okay. Now, obviously, I can take out the strawberries, and what we would like it to do is to actually score. What we want it to do is every time we have a collision between strawberry and bullet, we want a score of, shall we say, 5 points to appear. To do that, we got this column here with the little joystick icon at the top. If we right click on that one, we can set a score to, shall we say, 5. Okay, so the score will go up every time we hit one of the strawberries. And if there's a collision between the bomb and the bat, then our lives count will decrement by 1, will go down by 1. And so I can right click once again on the same column in that block there, and we can set the number of lives so we can subtract 1 from our number of lives, which is and we'll have a quick look at that and see how that looks now. And you can see that when I get hit, the number of lives goes down. Note the number of hearts in there also goes down. So we'll eventually that. Okay, that's not obviously not working. We'll have a quick look at why that isn't working. So there's a collision between that. We don't want to set the score to 5. We want to add to the score 5. Okay, we want to add 5 to the score. So I've got to be careful now, because as you can see, I need to edit the set of rules to remove the rule that I don't want. That commonly happens, so that will now work. Run the application, and great, the score is going up. Note the number of lives goes down to 0, obviously quite quickly if you get hit on a regular basis. It is possible to set the number of lives or increase the number of lives by going up to the properties on the actual game itself. And if we look at the properties for the game itself and go on the runtime options tab, which is that one there with the little hash symbol in, if you look down, there's the initial number of lives. We can change that to, let's change it to 5, and it'll give us more lives. I'll run that again just to see the changes, and you'll see we've got 5 hearts up there, and that will give us a bit longer playing time to save the frustrations. Okay, so that's starting to look much more like a playable game now. And there's the other thing I might want to do as well, is to limit the number of bullets that I'm shooting. If you notice, I've got almost like an unlimited supply of bullets. I can just keep hitting the space bar. It's possible to limit the number of bullets, and this is what I've done here. I'll take that one out and I'll show you how I did it. Upon pressing the space bar, obviously it launches our bullet from our gun. If I insert an extra condition, I can limit the number of appearances on our game area of the bullets. So it'll prevent me from shooting zillions of bullets and giving the player an unfair advantage. So I can pick or count, compare number of bullet objects, and I want to keep it to less than or equal to 3. And I can run that and just show you the gameplay, and we'll see if it keeps the number of bullets I can shoot, as you can see, to no more than 3, which is pretty much what I wanted to do. Okay, that's a lot to have done in the last 10 minutes or so, so I'm going to call time on this this particular video number 5. In the next video we'll be looking at putting the barricades here, which are obviously a key part of our Space Invaders game, and we'll be tidying up then with completing the final screen, the Hall of Fame, and just generally tidying up our video. So hope to you will follow that soon, or follow with that very soon. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.